Hey y'all, welcome to Charlie's Smoking Barbecue. I got something special for you guys today. I'm going to make some of my homemade applesauce. It's a really easy recipe and this thing is off the chain. Better than any applesauce you'll ever buy anywhere. So let's get busy. So the very first thing you guys want to do is get several different kind of apples. This is the key. You get all these different kind of apples, Golden Delicious, Granny Smith. I don't even know what these things are called. These are red ones. They're different, but that's the key. You want to mix up all the apples. I have quite a lot of apples I'm going to do, and so I'm going to get you guys in here close so you can see what I'm doing, and we're going to get busy. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to peel these apples. Get any kind of apple peeler. I'm going to use this one today. You know, it doesn't matter how you peel it, you just want to get it peeled without cutting yourself, obviously. I have a different way of peeling the apples that I'm going to do later. It's pretty quick. You guys have seen me do it before. I've done that in my apple cobbler video. Y'all go check that out. I'll put a link for that up there, for y'all to see. All right. I'm not the best at peeling apples. There's a reason I'm going to do it a different way, but I just want to get this done for y'all. Alright, so we want to get it cored. I use an apple core for this process. There we go. Got it cored. Alright. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and take this. You want to cut them up just like how you would do potatoes. Alright, just want to cut them up so when they're cooking, they can cook just like the potatoes. You know, guys are making mashed potatoes. Same thing. Doesn't matter what size. Just cut them up. You want to make sure that you get it's right there. You want to make sure you get all the outside of the apple off. All right, so that apple's done. I take this. I have a pot of water sitting over here. I just put them in there just to rest until I get all the other ones done. Alright y'all, I'm going to get everything else cut. I'm not going to make you go through all that. I'm going to get all this done very quickly, in your time anyway, and I will be back with you. Alright guys, through the miracle of time, there you go. So this is a lot of apples in there. It's going to make a lot of applesauce. This is it's about a double batch, what I normally make. But I did promise some people some applesauce, so we're going to hold true to that. So I said it was 3 ingredients. It's actually 4. I have all the apples. You really don't have to put, I have a cup of water. You really don't have to put the water in. But I put the cup of water in, and I just like it that way. You're going to take one, for this one, for 4 pounds I'm going to use a whole lemon. I like a freshly squeezed lemon. You can use lemon juice that you get at the store. And so I'm going to get my squeezer. Squeeze that in there. The last one. Alright. That's 1 full lemon. You're going to get sticks of cinnamon. What I like to do with the cinnamon, I'm not going to, you know, just grate it or anything. I throw it in here. And then what I'll end up doing is I'll stir it all up and I'll show you when I'm at the stove. So let's go get this on the stove and get it going. Alright guys, so here we are at the stove. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. I put it like on a 6 or a 7 on my electric stove to get it going. Now I'm going to take and stir this up. I'm going to get these cinnamon sticks down in there so they can really absorb the cinnamon. Sometimes you know what? You just got to push them down in there. Alright. So through time, we'll go ahead and stir this up even more. We're going to put the lid on that. Let that come to a boil. And then we'll show you what we're going to do next. Alright y'all, this is boiling. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. When you take the lid off, you want to make sure you leave it over the pot so you don't lose all your liquid. Strip that off. Well, not much stripped off that time. But you can see that it's boiling in here. Now you can see these apples are going to start to render down. Okay? We're going to get these apples to where you can put a fork in them just like you do with the potato. You want them to be that soft when you get that fork through there. So we're going to go ahead and cook it until we get it to that point. Like I said, remember how I told you that stuff the sticks will go down in there like that? There we go. Alright, so we're going to get them cooked, get them rendered down, and I'll be back when they're ready. Alright y'all, this smells amazing. I wish you could smell this. Remember what I said about the condensation? Want to make sure you keep that lid over there. Get all that. Alright, so you can see this is rendering down. See that? That already feels like it's perfect. Now I've stirred it a couple of times. See that? Going right through there. Yeah, this is perfect. Alright. So we're ready. I'm going to pull this off the heat. Bring you over here. And I'll show you what we're going to do next. Alright y'all. We're going to reach in here and take these out. You want to make sure you get all of it. All the sticks out of there. Man, this smells good. I think we have one more somewhere, right there. I think that's all of them. Yeah. Alright, now we're ready. Alright, so we're going to get our can't even say it. We're going to puree this with our pureer. I love this thing. Now you can leave it just like that, or it has some chunks in there, but I like it a little finer. And sometimes with mine, you'll have chunks in there as well. So I'm going to give this a little bit more. how I like mine. And you got a little bit of chunks in there. See that little bit of chunk? Just a little bit. Makes it nice. I love it. All right, y'all. So I'm going to let this cool down. And we'll get back to you with the taste test. All right, y'all. Time for that taste test. Here we go. It's still warm. Guys, that is divine. I did not put any sugar in this. You can add sugar to it if you want. This applesauce, in my opinion, does not need sugar. So y'all, I gotta have another. There's a little chunk in that one. All right, so y'all, if you like what we're doing, please subscribe. Tell all your friends. And please, hit the bell. This is our applesauce. I thought we would do something special for y'all. It's pretty easy. Once again, y'all, I want to thank you for choosing to watch this, and thank you for watching Charlie's Smoking Barbecue. Y'all come back and see us. Now you're here.